So let's copy the code from here because we will use the same thing as we have done when we created the new student. So let's just change the ID from save students form to edit students form, and here we have the same thing. The type is post, and here the URL will be update students.php, and we don't need to provide the ID because the ID is already here inside the hidden input, and here the form data and other things we can leave them as they are. Next, we need to change the modal, which is students update modal. So let's hide it. Students update modal. So we need to hide the modal, and also we need to reset the form. We can use the ID of the form also here. And also the body content, we can give it the res.content, and we display the message, and we check if we have any error, then we show it. If anything else, then we show this message. Next, we need to move back to the update students.php, and here we need to check if the request is post, not get. If yes, then we need to get, so where is start student? So here, if yes, then we need to get the fields that we want to update, and also we need to provide the student's ID, or to get the student's ID. And student's ID, we can get it from the form also. And once we have once we have the data, we need to prepare the query. Let's change the query from select to update students, and we set name to name. What else? Register number to register number. And what else? We need the EVG to the EVG. And what else? The move next to move next. Not like this, but like this. Move next, where the ID is equal to student ID. And what we need to bind the params. So the student ID is the same as we have here. What we need also, as I said, we have name. Let's use it here. We don't need to use the int here. Just remove it. So let's remove this one and this one. So let's remove it, and here change it to name. What else we have? We have the register number. Let's use it here and change it from here. Here we have the EVG, and here we have the move to the next. So once we are done, we need now to execute the function or the request or the query, not the function. So here we have the updated, and once it's updated, we get here true or false, like we have done when we added the new student. So let's use the same thing here. Let's bring everything from here, and you can optimize the code so to not repeat the same thing as we have done here. You can move this code to another separated file, this code that contains the contents. You can remove it to another file and include files. So try to update or to optimize the code as you want. So here We paste everything and we check if it is updated, not added. Then we set the content and we return, as I said, the message. So here it's updated successfully, and we have the content, and here not updated, and here we return. So let's try and check if it will update students or not. So let's update. So here we have 2 marks. So let's update this one. And the average, and here let's say that he will move to the next submit, and as you can see, students updated successfully. Let's see here. So it's updated successfully, but the form did not hide. So let's check why it's not hiding. Where is it? So here inside. So here inside here inside updates, you have student updates model. So hide. Why it's not working? So what is the ID that we have defined? So it's edit student model, not update student models. So where is it? So this one. Sorry for it. So let's try again and see if it will work or not. So let's update. So here we have Mark. We have also here 2 Carls. Let's update it to some random name and use registration number and use note and submit. And as you can see, it's updated and form has been, or the edit model has been hidden. So now that we can update, so what left? We need to delete, and let's do that now.